सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We read from 12th verse. स्वर्गे लोके न भयं किंचनास्ति न तत्र त्वं न जरया बिभेति उभे तीर्त्वाशनाया पिपासे शोकातिगो मोदते स्वर्गलोके। नेक्स्ट सत्वमग्निगं स्वर्गमध्येषि मृत्यो ओके आई विल ब्रेक इट। सत्वमग्निगं स्वर्गम् अध्येषि मृत्यो प्रब्रूहितगम् श्रद्दधानाय मह्यम् स्वर्गलोका अमृतत्वं भजन्ते एतद्द्वितीयेन वृणेवरेण। अगेन सत्वम् अग्निगम् स्वर्गमध्येषि मृत्यो प्रब्रूहितगम् श्रद्दधानाय मह्यम् स्वर्गलोका अमृतत्वं भजन्ते एतद्द्वितीयेन वृणेवरेण। एतद्द्वितीयेन वृणेवरेण। We saw in our last class that when we are thinking, we should be careful about what is the pervasiveness of thought. How broad is my thought? Because thought will convert into object in next birth. He will have the authority as per the pervasiveness of the thought. So one formula, don't forget. What is the formula? That the pervasiveness of the thought converts into the area of authority. This is the simple rule which you have to always remember. Therefore, one point in life is always keep a broader thought. It will give you broad area of authority. It is not an accident that somebody becomes king and somebody is a beggar. It is not a chance that somebody has something bigger and somebody does not have anything. You know, in 8th canto, Gajendra Moksha Prasanga comes. Remember that? Gajendra, we took that Gajendra Moksha Prasanga comes. And in this portion of Gajendra Moksha, come. In that portion of Gajendra Moksha, what happens that this elephant Gajendra was very powerful. Whole jungle was under his domain, and all the animals used to be under his dictation, Gajendra's. So later on, when he was caught up by this crocodile, the story of that Gajendra goes, in the last birth, he was a king. His name was Indradumne. And he used to do a lot of upasana of Lord. Because of that pervasiveness of thought, as an animal, and he was cursed to become elephant because of certain reason I'll tell later on. He had a very big domain where he was in charge as if he was the one who, you say, his writ used to run there. So somebody becomes, what is that, son of, what is the name of William? William? Harry, and that William's son was born. You right? Huh? Huh? That became the international news. That Harry also got married, I think. Who was little, he's exactly. So, but he also has a son now. Acha, see, I'm not in touch. When their son is born, it becomes the national news, comes in television. We were born, no newspaper came. बताइए तो गलत बात है भाई. We were born, nobody gave any news that somebody is born. And there it became a news. Everything will become news about them. They are going to school, that will become news. They are fighting, it will become news. They fall down anywhere, it becomes a news. Especially this younger one was little different kind of person. Anyway. So as is your pervasiveness of the thought, so will become the area of your authority. These are very important rules of life. Very important rule. And therefore, in this Bill Gates, now he is no more in number one position, but once upon a time he was the richest person. Bill Gates. What I observed in him, 90% of his salary was in donation. When as a Microsoft chief he was there. That heart was there to donate. He could have used in his own. So for this, I think here also he must have come. And the AIDS people are there, the NPOs are there, NGOs are there. Therefore, they get also a lot because they give a lot. So, Swarg, why heaven can be there? Why heaven has to be there? And one more thing, I am repeating what I said in the last class. Supposing I give a thought to you. Supposing I offer you something to eat or some good clothes to anybody. To anybody. Actually, you are offering a thought. May you be happy, may you be happy. When you feed somebody, it is actually a thought of joy in the vehicle of food. Vehicle is only the food. Food is not the main thing. Actually wanted to give him joy, and therefore you are giving thought. So one who is extremely meritorious person. What is the meaning of meritorious person? He has given lot of thought of joy for everybody. Anybody he saw, bole, okay, okay. And he need not be rich person. He can be ordinary person. As I told you, no? Supposing you serve your mother or father, but don't serve with the sense that he is a human being. Moment you think he is representation of God, so your thought become very pervasive. And this pervasiveness of thought and this lot of joy that there is a thought bank that you are collecting somewhere. Morning also I had used this word, the thought bank. And there is a system that anything goes back to its source only. So this thought bank that you have made, it has to come through somebody, and so much of thought of joy he has given, so he deserves to be in heaven now. Because in heaven, only the thought of everybody is after giving joy. Is it okay? No? Well, you know, some people are there. They come in your life to give joy. Now you don't know why this person gives me joy. You wonder why this person is giving me joy, why he serves me, I don't know. But it's not an accident. Whatever his thought was there, what he has, it is expressing through this person in his life. Or somebody is giving sorrow. Thought of sorrow, my thought of sorrow is coming via this person. And therefore, there are people who have done so much of upasana. You know what is the meaning of upasana? Supposing you offer a flower to a Lord, or you offer a water on the shivling. Meaning is actually you are not offering water and flower. You are giving a thought to the Lord. May you be happy. May you be pleased. May you be pleased. May you be pleased. May you be pleased. And with thought is getting into some kind of, your account is getting bigger and bigger. So it will come back to you. So this is called, therefore heaven has to be there. Many things you may not experience, but it is there. Many things are there. You may not know it, you cannot see it, but it is there by. So we proved heaven by Arthapatti Praman and Shabd Praman. Lokik Shabd or Vedic Shabd? Vedic Shabd, not Lokik Shabd. So this heaven is required. Acha, don't think I don't want heaven. These are statements we don't think. Well, I don't want heaven. As if somebody is giving you. You are saying so easily, I don't want heaven so much. Who wants? But I want to go to America. Dekho, I want to go to New Jersey. There I will purchase one jersey, which will be new. That will be New Jersey. Here I am busy with the old jersey. There I will have New Jersey. And I want to see Disneyland. And I want to go to Chicago also. From Chicago, I will take a flight to the East Coast. I want to go to Los Angeles. Although I'll not be lost in Angeles, but I'll go for the Los Angeles. Then I want to see the Google. There is a Silicon Valley is there. I want to meet the chief of Google. He is from India, you know that. Sundar Pichai is there. Young person. I think IIT Kharagpur. He's from Chennai, I think. Some Chennai, somewhere from south he is there. Bright person. He became the Google chief. He came to India. Last year he came to India. I want to meet him. Acha. You know Hotmail account. That also was an Indian person, Samir Bhatia. That was also an Indian person. You should be proud of that. Hmm? That to Hindu also. Samir Bhatia, Hotmail person. I can give you many names. This is not the topic. So I want to go there. Now you are wanting some swarg. You know what is swarg? Acme of all conducive situation. Acme of all joy-giving situations. That is called swarg. Maybe in your life, certain person is like a heaven for you. You know, we have a lot of people around, a lot of situation. Out of many people, one, two may be like, to be with him is like heaven. You say also. To be with him like the hell. But to be with him is like heaven. Somebody's house I went and the daughter was there, 18, 19 years. The moment I went to the house, the daughter took away that office briefcase. She said, Daddy, what can I give you? I'll make a coffee for you. And she started giving coffee. Then she started massaging the feet, started talking very, very sweetly. The father said, I don't know what actions I have done to get such a daughter. He is never angry with me. She is never complaining. I was also so happy. She is like heaven for me. Whole day's tiredness she takes away in 10 minutes. So this is your local swarg, little 1-2 pieces of. Some pieces are there out of the whole thing. Or someday you may get very good food. Huh? Someday you may get very good food. But I hope here food is good only. But someday you may get very good husband somebody got. Very rare. Because the karma is not that great. So why to blame the husband? Very good husband. One lady told me, when I go, lot of God shows lot of things in my life. Husband was there. In the absence of husband, she praised, not in the presence. She said 30 years he has never raised his voice. 30 years we have been living together. But he has never raised his voice, forget about. I said, but he doesn't get angry. Well, if he is angry, he will not say anything. He will go and he will not eat food sometimes, but he will never hurt anybody. And husband was also good looking, by the way. So nature was also good and body was also good. It's like, you're living in heaven. Not everybody. Then you say, so lucky. Don't just cover up by the word lucky. Luck has not come, it has not fallen from the space just like that. It is your own thought. So here some person are there who has given lot of thought. Lot of good thought. One Mathurji was there in Jaipur. So I'm just giving you a few examples. So once he went to the temple. So coming out of the temple, he had some puri and some vegetables. So he thought, let me give to some people who need it. He started giving. So he brought only for 3-4 people. Now 50 came. He was very touched then. Next day, he prepared for 100 and went to the same place. 100 came. Now you won't believe, every day his wife used to prepare. And from morning around 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, he was just distributing it. So when I went to Jaipur, I said, Mathur, now is no more, I think. I said, he's not coming. So he called me for a picture. I said, you are not coming in the morning classes. Then he told the whole thing. I'm quite busy in the morning. And every day he is doing like that. I said, what is your thought when you give? elderly person. I said, what is your thought? He said, my thought is let everybody be happy. देखो स्वर्ग बन रहा है ना आपका. You are making your heaven like that. Bit by bit you are constructing your future or heaven or hell, whatever is there. You are adding brick by brick. Be very careful what thought you give to others. We don't give object that much. We give lot of thought to others. Whether you like anybody or don't like, you give lot of thought. You say, I'm too much thinking about that person. So Swarg is there. And by God's grace, I have had the opportunity to go to various houses. We have no attachment to anybody. Whosoever call, we'll go. So, a lower class peon will call, I'll go there. And a very rich person, then I have no problem going anywhere. But I'm telling you, I try to see what I can learn from here. What is my message? What is the message from this person? So once I went to somebody's house, very rich person, gold jewelers or something. And, very rich person, mission president he was also. Although he was not coming in many classes, but he used to come, he liked my Bhagavad class. He called me. So he sat, I said, no, you sit on the sofa. He said, no, I'm very happy. Question answer is started. I said, all the prosperity I see in your house, this chandelier hanging, this is hanging all around, big table. You do lot of hard work. Then he said one point. He said, no, 400-500 years back, in my house, lot of poverty came. So my grandmother worshipped Lakshmi ji a lot. Some stotra and chant, she did some mantra of Lakshmi ji. And Lakshmi ji got so happy with her that she manifested one day. Lakshmi ji, what to say now? And now that lady said that please stay till I come. And she went and jumped in the well. And then this person said, since then we didn't have any shortage of anything. Our family is full of money. So there is something called Swarg also. There is something called Pitralok also. There is something called Vaikuntha Lok also. Don't doubt. Here after this question, now next question, who is asking? Nachiketa. What will he ask? You can guess now. What is the ritual to go to the heaven? What is the ritual through which you can go to the heaven? This is the next question. Okay. So what is the ritual now? So here, now please note, this is first was for his family and second is for the society now. Why? This way people will do good actions. When a person is believing in this, at least he will not do anything wrong because he thinks I will get it back also. If I do something wrong, I will also have to pay for it. Now let us see in this question, what is the ritual through which I can go to the heaven? So here he says, Swargaloka amritatvam bhajante, not bhajante. That those who are in the Swarglok, they attain immortality. Immortality here is absolute or relative? Bolo bhai? Relative. Why? Because it is a result of some action. Anything result of action will go away. Will only for finite time. Like if I throw this paperweight, don't worry, I'm not throwing on you. If I throw, all I feel like. So if I throw this paperweight, it will be air. It will be in the air for a finite time. As long as I have given the speed, otherwise it will fall down. Actions are like that. Every action is for finite time. After that, it is over. This body is fruit of action. कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा है. Body is fruit of action. Therefore, it is only for finite time. After that, this body will fall away. You need not worry. It will automatically, the jeev will go. After that, 4 people have to work hard. That's another problem. You don't worry about that. Husband, wife, fruit of action. Huh? So they are also for finite time. Depending. Acha. Any fruit of action will die away. It is in the air till the velocity of action is continuing. Sometimes people have very good health. They don't know that this is also a health is also a exhausting fruit of action. A person all of a sudden he is a bad health. He said, I was not prepared. Situation doesn't ask you whether you are prepared or not. It doesn't ask you, may I come in? They just, you have to go through the fruit of action. Your house is also fruit of action. Your house. One day the fruit of action is over. Same house asks you to go out forever. The house which you have built standing on the sun, on sunny hills. Sunny hills is there, no? Okay. Huh? Okay. So you stood there and invested 1, 2, 3 million. Same house will ask now go. Exit now. But I invested. No, jao bahar jo. Your fruit is over now living in this house. And don't come back as a ghost. Just be there. Okay. अरे और तो छोड़ो, beauty I have seen. Beauty, don't take it personal here. So there's no possibility. But some people are quite beautiful. Very beautiful. Everybody is praising. Wow, what a face! What is this? Time goes away. One disease comes. You can't recognize a person. Same person it happened in Bombay with me. I was there in somebody's house. So husband went out to purchase, I think, when my bhiksha was there. So wife was there. In 1977. So she said, Swamiji, take the album and see how to see album, somebody's album. I also, kya kare bhai, album hi dekh. So I was watching, one picture was coming repeatedly of one girl who was very good looking also, very quiet also. I said, who is this girl? She started crying. I thought I would ask, sorry if I have asked any wrong question. Only I am this girl. I saw the face. No comparison. She said, Swamiji, I was like this. What happened? This disease came, all my beauty went away. I had not come to Durban at that time. Otherwise, I would have said, shame. can say shame here, no? But she started crying because there was no match between two. But when I saw closely, nose was same, eyes was same. So beautiful. Only this, she said, this disease came and I'm not able to walk properly. My back is bent now. Everything has changed, Swamiji. एक फ्रूट आता है. All of a sudden, बोले everything has changed. सब बदल गया स्वामी. Similarly, the Swargalok which is there, it is also for a finite time. It changes. The person is out of the Chide Punye Martalokam Vishanti. It is like a big hotel. As long as money is there, you are staying. After that, you will be out.